Alright.
Hello, everyone.
Hello. Morning. So, looks like GJ is finally moving, which is good to see. I saw the 5-minute trend line on Goldie. Fucking nice. Enjoyed it.
Yeah, very nice.
This one here. Yeah, that was nice. Getting in there. I think because you got in as well there, I think. So stop loss was like, yeah, 8 pips. You could be quite good for later on. You could be quite good for later on. Let me just get this. 1 sec. So yeah, I was watching GJ this morning, which is good. Looking like we're starting to actually push, which is good. We're still like, not completely out of it, but it looks pretty good. I think right now we are on a big resistance. So we'll see if we can break that. But looking promising. So yesterday's day closed very, very bullish. 1 second. Let's do this. There we go. Yeah, yesterday's candle pretty much came all the way down to 16600, rejected, and then closed back bullish engulfing the previous. So it was looking good for today to be a little bit bullish anyway. So look at the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are very, very bullish right now. This morning, all the way down from here, we've been pushing up from yesterday, which is good shit. 144 quality video. I think you need to just change your video quality, man. So right now, yeah, we've got to be a little bit cautious at this level because 163,500 is going to be a big resistance level. So we've got to be able to break above that. I think 163,774 would be pretty nice to close above on the 4-hour to continue bullish. So let's just take a look on the lower time frames. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah. So hourly, 30-minute, and 15. They all look like they've got some big res. Right at these levels here. Zoom into this one 1 sec. 1 second. Yeah, like there. So I think buys above 163,800 would be pretty good, which is obviously 50 pips away. So let's just take a look and see how big this zone is. Yeah, we're coming right to the resistances right now, which is a little bit of a shame. But I think above there would be much nicer. Buys above 846. Let's just move into where we are now. Looking like we made some support at 162,500, which is good to see. Right here. Just before London session starts. And now obviously we're blasting off over here. So yeah, I mean, we've got a lot of time. I think for me, what we're going to probably have to wait for now is a closure above. So yeah, it's still not in the best area. We don't really know, obviously, because we haven't been up into this range in a while. We don't know how it's going to react to these levels. I have a feeling we're just going to blast straight through it, to be honest with you, because we've been ranging for so long, looking like we are starting to push pretty hard above. But I want to be cautious of these wicks to the left in this 4-hour level. I think buys above there is going to be much nicer. So that's what I'm going to wait for. The other thing that I could wait for also is if we wanted to retrace back to 162,850, make some support to then continue as well. I could do that. So yeah, good stuff. But what the good thing is that's promising that we're starting to, you know, move out of this crappy area, which is good. Which is good to see. Let's do this. So yeah, I think in the next couple of days, you may be starting to get some good volumes here. So yeah, let's just go through this gold trend line. So we had 1 touch at the top, we had 2 touch here, and then we got a closure above. We made a nice low wick. Getting in here, the next support is right there. That's 6-7 pips. That's okay. Okay, so we break even by then. TP1 will be up there for 17 pips. TP2 will be there for 23. So that's pretty good. Good to see it. Good to see it. Good morning. So it looks like Goldie is on one right now. Let's take a look. Right, so looking like we are reacting off this support on the double bottom. There's no low wick on the daily yet, so remember that. It's probably likely we're going to make one at some point today. 4-hour time frame as well. Just closed. The previous one just closed bearish. This one's an hour into this new candle. Looking like it has actually rejected the previous zone. Okay, you can see here realistically. 1 second. You can see that this candles came all the way up to the previous resistance / support. It's faked out and closed back below. So realistically, this candle should now make a top wick, break the low, and then maybe continue bearish. That's what I see. So look at the hourly time frame, 30 minute and 15. So you can start to see where supports are, etc., etc. So let me just get rid of that there. On the 30-minute time frame and on the hourly, we have a support at 17.15 that's held. Right here. Okay, so if we do get a closure below there, we should potentially continue to drive and fill this zone, which is 50 pips. That's pretty good, actually. Yeah, I quite like the sells on Goldie, I think. And that'll come all the way to 17.07 and fill in that whole range up. So, just write this on here. So when we get this closure below there as well, it'll be breaking the previous 4-hour lows. So it should be pretty nice. Yeah.
So I have an ascending trend line that starts at 1709, 72, 73, and then you have a second touch on. Let me just check. A second touch
17,
on
15.05.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Then it will be nice with your
zone.
With your zone as well.
Mhm.
And the entry that you spoke just now.
Yeah. Oh yes. 2 seconds into this new hourly, looking like we're pushing down pretty hard.
Yeah. And then you can draw another descending trend line all the way to the top to this new wick that you have now.
Mhm.
Yeah. And that is your second touch. And then if it comes back up, so if it rejects support line, support resistance, if it rejects it and then comes up to the trend line again, might get another buy.
Yeah. Oh yes. Beautiful. Hourly hasn't a top wick yet, but we'll see. GJ looking like it's blasting off, which is good. Yes. Clear these zones, GJ. Never come back again. Please never come back again. Never come back. Yeah, I have a feeling this gold's gonna be quite nice because the 4-hour closing bearish is a good confirmation that we're rejecting the highs. I may continue all the way back down to the lows at some point. Let's take a look at news today as well, guys. Just take a look. Yesterday was interesting. Yeah, we're actually okay for today. Yeah, there's fucking no news really. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Morning YouTube, hope you're doing all well. And yeah, we're just waiting patiently for this GJ to get to 828, which may happen today, may not. And then yeah, these gold sells are gonna be nice. So if I get a closure there, stop loss is gonna be, oh, that's 36 pips. Shit. Yeah, I have to find another way to put my stops somewhere. So when did this start running? Let's take a look at where you could have potentially taken trades on GJ. Yeah, 15-30 minute all closed above bullish there. I mean, the only thing that you could do there is maybe wait for this to make a lower wick and then get in on the break of the high maybe, or on the flip. Stop loss would be like 8 pips.
Yeah, I took it on the 4-hour flip.
Yeah.
Yeah, my entry was at 62,977.
Yeah, that's nice.
Because I saw the push up, and then I went to lower time frames on the 3 minute and 1 minute, and I saw it making some rejection, and then at the 3 minute, when the last when the last candle pushed down, and then when it started to push up and break the previous one, I took an entry there.
Beautiful.
I'm up 34 pips on the runner at the moment.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good morning, Mr. Bride. Did you get any of these or not?
How's it, are you?
How you doing, man?
Good. Just the impulse on GJ 163.009, the Asian highs earlier.
163.009. Yeah.
And the stops was like 9.
Beautiful.
The gold
Nice.
looked good though. Gold could have been, if we were up like that time. Gold was good.
Yeah. I was watching it in bed. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna let this play out. I want to get the confidence back for these trades, and I'll
They're good, man. They just send it. You're gonna. It's like I say, like people taking your signals. You need to take every single signal. You know what I mean? You got to take every single one of them if that's your trade. You know what I mean?
Yeah. For the trend lines, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Took an impulse trade for GJ. I'm up. Very nice. Yeah, for me, the buys are going to be nice 828 now. If you guys are in GJ trades, this is probably best for runners because we are coming to this ass zone. Where the resistances are. But I'm really hoping that we can just blast above that. And then if we blast above that, then we've got a clean candle here.
Well, situation in England is solved when it comes to the Prime Minister situation.
Yeah.
So if that was what was holding GJ on a big range, well, if that situation is if it was that was holding GJ, well, that is solved, and GJ can just push up now. Because now you'll have someone that will make some changes inside the regime. So
yeah, man. Oh, what the fuck is this? It's fucking Daniel Savage fake guy in the chat. GJ sell now 163.400, stop loss 170. Oh god. Let's see, look at EJ as well. Actually, see if EJ's pushed up. Yeah, it's pushing up as well, which is good. Today I'm gonna have to go to the doctors for my fucking arm because it's agony. 4-hour time frame, pushing up to the high as well, which is good to see. Finally, some movement. Finally. I feel like I've been in the desert for like fucking 2 months without seeing water. Okay, so yeah, the 30-minute time frame, we got a resistance at 147.33, which is not too far away. It's 30 pips away. Let's look at the hourly time frame and the 4-hour. If you get a closure above this resistance, yeah, we've got clean really zones. We got clean candles here really to come to at least 141.547. If you look on the hourly, how does this look? Yeah, it's a little bit more choppy on anything else. Take a look at that. So that's the 800 level. Yeah, if you close above there, you should come to this resistance, which is 141. Pick that because there's resistance here, there's resistance there, support there, so it's a key level. Yeah, that looks good. So that's what I'm putting a look for EJ as well.
Holy shit, JJ's gone.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if you had gotten in yesterday at London Open. Like you talked about, oh, you'd be up 230 pips.
Yeah. Beefy. Let's look at that hourly closure on that. Yeah. Thing is though, it did fuck around here. I remember it wasn't as easy as that. Yeah, 8 o'clock was rangy as shit, but it's pretty good after. Let's take a look. Yeah, the whole day after it just ranged. Look at that shit. So let's take a look at this 30-minute time frame. It's broken the low of the previous 30 already. The hourly time frame is pushing down, so yeah, we'll see, man. I think if we get a 30-minute closure below, it should be good. The 4-hour will be breaking its previous current low and previous lows, so we'll see. Daily's got no bottom wick, so it's looking promising. Looking promising. And the zone that we're coming into, yeah, it's clean candles really to 1709, which is good to see. So, let me just get this ready.
Very nice OB area.
Yep. Well, this one here?
All the way on the bottom.
Oh, on the way in the bottom, yeah. Still look at the 15, the 5 here. There's the first OB area there.
Yep. But for example, if it breaks the trend line where I'm expecting more or less, we have a 20 pip move until that OB area.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, we'll see. I think it'll be good. Maybe for London Open, we'll see. Maybe beforehand. That should be good. So TP as well would be like, yeah, 1710 for the runner.
I have this on a very nice wedge, so it will go up or down.
Yeah. Why is gold doing this to me? Oh god, what's gold doing to you? Yeah, this is a big push up actually. I saw this morning. Asian session we ran like 114 pips. It's quite good, 140 pips. Pretty nicely. Big little move there. Let's take a look at bank. I wonder what that was for.
Only news that you had was at 3 in the morning or 5 in the morning or what the hell it was, and it was AUD.
Trust earmarks 130 billion to keep UK energy bills below 2,000. Yeah, there's no real thing yet. Interesting. GJ was lit yesterday. Yeah, it was good. I mean, I think the price action here was pretty garbage anyway. Would have been break even, but it was good. The EJ was the one. EJ was the one for me. Closure below, above there. That was the trade. That looked nice for me. So yeah, came this first resistance at 140.472. So always just be careful. Don't get into the little thrill like, oh man, it's so bullish. We're gonna continue. Like, you know, there will be resistances, and right now it's found one clearly on GJ. But it makes sense. Why? Because you look to the left, and that's where resistance is. So it makes sense. So I think, yeah, we'll see in this Goldie one right now. I think I'm really hoping this sells, to be honest. Will be a little bit nicer. And for the most part, when we get below this level, if you look there, like there, she needs to move quickly in this area, which is good. It's 50 pips. 50 pipperoonies. Why is the price choppy even today at September? It's not about the month, it's about what's going on. Okay. And I wouldn't say it's choppy today. I think it's pretty quick and pretty close, and you know, nice, good big candles, good price action. So I think it's not bad. It's just the zone it's been in for so long is choppy. So just let it sort itself out, and then you know, you'll be grand. 18 likes, guys, amazing work. Make sure you like the stream. We've seen that triangular maxi, so buyers can feel again. Yeah, agreed. Agreed, Mr. Bry. But let's see, look at this triangle. I'm just liking how we're getting out of this little minor one soon. Anyway, we haven't really got out of it yet, but that's what I quite like we're getting out of. But yeah, there's still, you know, an overlying big one, which is fair. Which is fair-oos. Yeah, if we get a closure there, 17.15, that's gonna be good. Jason's in the building. Jason, you take that gold trend line. Where the fuck is Jace? Jace, get your mic back on, boy. Get your mic back on. Second. I swear I can hear myself in one thing. Is that only not here? Okay, so 50-minute on GJ closed bearish, looking like it has found a little bit of res, which is fair enough. The buys here were beautifully there. It was actually 163 flat as well. Interesting. 163 flat. What's the pairs you trade right now? GJ, EJ, and gold. Let's see. Your mic is fucked, Jason. Oh, was that your mic before then? No, it wasn't. It was somebody else's. You go buy one, boy. Brian, have you got this trend line set up?
Yeah, I got the set.
Yeah, I think that could be quite nice. I think that could be quite good. A nice little pendant coming on over here. There's a nice 5-minute trend line there as well, man. That's good. Nice and bullish as well. Take a look here. One sec. See other streamers. Who's streaming today? DC today? Yes. So yeah, I mean, let's just take a look then through the bank holiday. Did gold move much or not at all? Yeah, just ranged. Just ranged. So there you go, man. When there's a bank holiday, just leave it alone. I don't know why my magic keys won't open calc. Any idea? I don't know, man. I'd probably just refresh the page. I don't know. Sometimes it has little fuckeries like that and you just have to wait for it to go away. You gotta wait on. So yeah, I mean, what we could potentially want for GJ as well as a retracement back to a support, then continue later on. That could be quite nice as well. So keep my eyes open for that as well. Is anyone else on YouTube taking a trade this morning already? What trades have you guys taken? I think for the most part, that GJ one was probably the trade. Maybe that gold 5-minute trend line as well.
Max, was there a reason you didn't take that Goldie trade?
I wanted to. I just wanted to watch it this morning, but
yeah,
I think in a normal time, fine. I'm just getting back into the basics of things, man. I really want to just see some nice trades playing out, and that was one of them. So yeah. Okay. After this big move as well, I was happy to just watch it, but it was a good outcome, and I think people who wanted to take that, go for it. It was perfect, right?
Mhm.
It was very, very nice. I think for me in the mornings, I just want to see them play out a little bit more. So yeah. And to be honest with you, I was waiting. I marked my chart this morning, and I wanted the sells really below here.
Yeah.
Because when the 4-hour closed bearish, that's when I was like, wow, okay, this could be good for the sells. So
yeah,
a little bit counter trend, but
it was a nice kind of like nip and tuck.
Yeah.
Little quick in and out there.
Yeah. There's a nice closure as well.
Yeah. I just watched it.
You just watch. You gotta take them if you're there.
But you know what? I was because I kind of obviously starting here, but yeah, I thought maybe somebody's gonna post and go. I changed.
Oh, they will.
But it was cool, man. It's good. I got to kind of like take solace in the fact that I saw it.
Exactly.
Even though I didn't execute.
Yeah.
That will come.
Exactly. And so one thing that I always say is go through it, right? So So the one thing that is a little bit of a pain in the ass is that this is support right here, and it's right at the support, which is a little bit annoying. However, if you take a look on the 50-minute time frame, this is the one that gives you the confidence, right? Because if you think about it here, I always say clean candles you need, and you know, that's pretty clean candles, so I just mirrored that. So yeah, it was good. Worked out nicely. Your opinion about funding firms? Yeah, I think they're great if you can do them, but not many people can do them because, you know, some people just can't keep their emotions. A lot of people who do funded and are just beginners, like, you know, do it maybe a little bit later on in your trading career, not straight away. Blames the shoulder. I had to take fucking codeine last night because my fucking shoulder's that bad. Ah, kills. I had gold buy earlier, 20 pips, but missed main move as I was driving to Melbourne. Ooh, still got 20 pips though, eh? Oh, this big meaty move you missed. Yeah. It's a big move. Oh, thank you so much for subscribing. So yeah, it's the let's take a look then. So how many days have you had? Yeah, Thursday, Friday. Still waiting for a little bit of a trade over here. Taking my time, watching the trades go on. Just getting that confidence back, especially with the amount of arranging we'll be doing for so long. Cody for shoulders, of course. Visit the festivals. Question, does your shoulder only start hurting once you lift it past 45 degrees or all the way? It hurts like I can... Like, it hurts all the time here anyway, like now. Like, it's just fucking, like, it feels like something's nipping. And then when I go like that and like there, like this is okay, but further than that, like around, nah, I can't do it. So I don't know what the fuck that is. People saying rotator cuff, but I have no idea. It's because he's overworked it on his willy. But should I just leave it for a rest or wanker's whiplash? Oh my god.
Are you putting some kind of cream when you go to bed?
No.
Oh, you should. You should.
Eat some
Yeah.
concrete and harden the fuck up.
Oh man, it kills. I think it's because I was out on a night out on Saturday and this guy was like teaching me fucking judo moves. He's pretty rad, but he wasn't really teaching me. He was kind of teaching me, but I was also the fucking dummy and I was just getting my fucking arm broken. That didn't fucking help. Well, definitely don't go to a doctor, go to a physio. But yeah, but a physio, where the fuck are physios? I'm pretty sure because the stupid government is fucking shagged up every single system. I can't just walk into a place and get fixed. I have to wait like 15 fucking days for one appointment, then get another appointment. Ah, it's bullshit. Fucking bullshit. Actually, shit, I was actually gonna ring my doctor today to see if I could actually get one, because it actually started at 7 o'clock today. Let's take a look. So yeah, we'll see you in this Goldie. Come on, Goldie, get your ass down. Hopefully towards 8 o'clock we'll start getting it, and then we should be good. Right, I'm gonna just go ring the doctors and see if they work. Go to a chiropractor, they're about £50 for an hour. Yeah, I gotta do that shit. Chiropractor. Right, I'm just gonna ring these people and see. Christ, this might take a while. Let's leave it here until I get there. Well, let's see what they say there. They're gonna give me a telephone call, which sounds great. A GP's gonna telephone me, and I'm gonna go, yes, my shoulder hurts. And they go, yes, maybe you've got something wrong with your shoulder. Then I have to wait for another fucking appointment for 4 days away. Go get a massage with a happy ending. Won't cure your shoulder, but you'll feel better. For fuck's sake. Jesus. September is a not so profitable month. Bro, it's only the 5th day in there, and half of them, we've had a bank holidays. We've also been waiting patiently for some news to get GJ to fucking move from 161 and 162, which we finally have. So, I think, you know, you've just been a little bit negative there. I think you should be grand. When I put my stats in for actually I think September, I think the end of August, I'd say from last week, I'm up around about 3%, so it's not too bad. Mainly for them 2 big gold trades, the only trades really that we took. So yeah, looking like GJ Goldie's still making a little bit of support here, but I just know that if we do break this low here, we're going to be good to continue down. And I'll be breaking hourly previous lows, 4-hour previous lows, current, no, not daily lows, 30-minute lows. So yeah, it should be alright. And then for the buys, the same thing, right? If you get a closure above, I'd want it above 1720 though. Use.
Oh, we're flipping now on gold.
Is it? Oh yeah. Just holding support quite nice, eh? Yeah. Looking like GJ's still going for people with the runners, which is good. Especially if you got in there, you could be quite good, I think. I think you may be in a good situation if you can blast up here. The 8 o'clock should push it quite nicely as well. I entered on a GJ on a 30-minute flip candle, or right now. Should be up like 7 pips now, should be good. The rub and tug, for fuck's sake, Brian. Rub and tug. My days. So yeah, I think if I'm looking at gold buys, I really want it above 1719.8 because that's the big resistance there. I think above there though, we've got clean candles, so that should be good.
One, two. Can you hear me?
Hello, Jace. Yeah, we can hear you, boy.
Hear me now.
You back in business?
You need business, mate.
There's a 5-minute gold trend line this morning. You get up for it, Jace.
Pause.
This one here.
For sure. Salary.
Oh, you took down the celery. Very nice. Yeah, that was good, man. It was good. So yeah, we'll do the simulations tomorrow. I'm gonna finish off that December one quite quickly, and then we'll do another one. Does anyone know with the software effects if I can go further back in time? Because my software effects, it doesn't let me go. Like, I'll show you. It doesn't seem to let me go anything further than December 2020. Like the data center, look. I want to go further back. If anyone knows how to do that, tell me, but I don't really know how to. Because then we can go further back. Because what I really want to do is see if this 5-minute trend line works well after, you know, COVID and all that kind of crap. Try stretching all of your muscles around your shoulder, lats, biceps, triceps, and neck. Each muscle has a way of stretching. Yeah. That's just hard, man. Oh, any nerds in here watch the Lord of the Rings or Game of Thrones? The Lord of the Rings is it's just chilling.
Game of Thrones.
You watch the Game of Thrones one?
I haven't watched the new one.
The new one.
Watch the original series.
Yeah, I need to watch the original series as well. I haven't watched them.
The original series is fucking fantastic.
Yeah, I need to watch it. I feel it's a bit too much dialogue, but then I like Lord of the Rings, and Lord of the Rings has a bit of dialogue as well. I don't know. Download the years, maybe. Yeah, I gotta search for that shit because I want to go further back in time. Game of Thrones was good last night. Oh, there's a new one last night. Yeah, I gotta watch the normal Game of Thrones first. I haven't even watched that yet. I think the reason is because my dad. I think I told you guys this before. Went on holiday with my dad, and me and Niall were just sitting there watching. And my dad was like, "Oh, I need to put on the next Game of Thrones episode." The episode was literally when the fucking dragon was, you know, fucking up that war at the end. So my first episode I saw in Game of Thrones is pretty much the last episode of the whole series. So it's kind of like, spoilers, fella. No, but Champions League is back today. No way. Is actually. Oh, Brian, you're gonna be buzzing about that, aren't you?
You watch the Man United game, Max?
Yeah, boy.
Oh, nice, eh?
Yeah, man. That's a bit better, eh?
For a change.
Oh, Man City are playing today. Get in. For a change, yeah. Looks pretty good, man. Hey, I tell you what. They've changed that round a little bit, but Eriksen, man. Eriksen's class. I always knew he's top dollar, like.
Ah, what a player, man. Oh.
So
my fantasy looked shit this week.
Yeah, my fantasy was crap this week as well. My fantasy was pretty diabolical. A lot of my mates had Nick Pope in, and he got like fucking 9 points. I went to the Crystal Palace game in Newcastle. Fucking got robbed. How is your fantasy this week? Yeah, but you got 45. Ah, I think I got like fucking 38, man. Pretty shit. I'm still top though. Still top of the leaderboard. Yeah, I got 38.
Don't be like Arsenal.
Yeah, I got 2 Arsenal players, but Martinelli's goal should have fucking counted as well. Bullshit. Yeah, I'm still top. I'm still top of the leaderboard, but look, I had Trippier on the bench. It got 8.
So mine is also like that, man. My bench got higher points then. I even got the other guy, Scar, from Newcastle.
Newcastle. Oh, the new guy, yeah. 1720. So yeah, I think on a 30-minute timer closure above 1720 would be nice as well. Who called you Jerome Powell? That was actually quite easy, man. It was quite easy to get a little appointment there. I mean, it is a phone appointment. So that's pretty shit, but it's better than nothing, I suppose. So is it still continuing? Yeah, I still think maybe today we may get a bit of a struggle, but mark my words, if we get above 163,800, my God, it's gonna be tasty up here. This is where I'm gonna look for. Okay.
Max, you're not taking this gold. You're not looking at this gold at the moment.
Yeah, I like it. I like the way it's setting up. I like the hourly, how the hourly's made a little work and making some support. But the hourly res is it's 14 pips. I just feel above there is gonna be much easier for me. Yeah. I think the 15 and the 30 here look a little bit chop central. I mean, this 30 is actually closed above the support, so it looks okay. But I just think, especially if it's at 8 o'clock here, if you get a closure above 17.20, it's gonna be much nicer to drive back up. And I'm just a bit cautious for this 4 hour. The 4 hours put me off for the buys, to be honest. Because the 4 hour came all the way up to this OB, rejected, closed bearish, make it a top wick. If this flips and breaks the low, we're going to fill this wick. So I want to be a little bit more confident with the buys. But I mean, it looks pretty good, eh? Like it's going to do well. I'm sure some people will be in this. So if you got in on that flip there, stop loss below would be 18 pips. 18 pip TP as well, so the TP is reasonable enough. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, people in the mentorship, make sure to go watch that video. I basically go from step by step on like an EJ trade yesterday on the technical analysis and how you kind of get down to taking the trade, right? What things you have to do in your head first. So for me, you know, what I've done this morning, well, I've marked out my zones. I know which zones I want to trade in gold, right? So the trades I want to take in gold are in here and in here. Okay. Don't really want to be taking trades in this area because it's a little bit choppy. And I know if we break structure here, it's going to be clean because clean candle here. And there's clean candles here, so I'm going to get some nice trades there. And there you go. You just wait. And then, you know, in the meantime, when it starts to come up, what am I going to do, right? If I want to take a trade above here, what trade in our journal or our pictures am I going to be taking if we get a closure here? Well, I'm going to be taking a closure above, right? If you take a look here, it's going to be a closure above, right? That's going to be the trade I'm going to be taking. If I get a closure below here, it's going to be a closure below, okay? So that's all you've got to do. And then when price comes to that level and gives you a nice trade, then there you go. It's the same kind of thing for GJ. Let's take a look and see if you could do the GJ one today. You go, right. Imagine if you started off this morning, like around about here, at 6 o'clock. You go, right. Well, looking like we're going to close above resistance. So this is clearly a support forming and a closure above. Take a look to the left-hand side. Do we have any resistance to... Oh, shit. We're lagging a little bit here. Do we have any resistance that's going to cause us a little bit of trouble? Not really, because we're above 780 here. We've got clean candles to 163. Okay, so knowing this, you go, well, amazing stuff. We've got a nice closure to 163. We should potentially continue. Now all I've got to wait for is to make a nice low wick and maybe break the high of the previous one here. And there's a trade, right? Why? Because you've got clean candles, clean areas, closure above. Bob's your uncle. 30-minute closure for confirmation. Ethan, be a bit more focused on what you mean by that. What chart are you looking at, for example? Shit, you're complete crap. Nah, Shane, man. Look at your full points. Look at mine, man. I'm definitely beating you there. 404 points overall. Look at this group I'm in, man. There's 20 people. I'm nearly 30 ahead. I'm second place, boy. Easy work. EJ was bullish with demand. Yep, EJ's bullish. Still bullish. It's very, very nice. Same with that entry there is perfect. Was there any 5 minutes there? Nah. That one there was quite nice, actually, yeah. When you're talking about candle closures for your confirmation, do you prefer 30 or 50 minute? So for the most part, I didn't really mind it too much, but recently, we've been seeing a lot of fake outs in the 15, so 30-minute is much preferred. And, you know, 30-minute is much preferred anyway because it's a stronger confirmation, right? Because it's more time. So, yeah. Mr. Bry, you've been very quiet this morning. What are you looking for, brother? Ah, yes, very quiet. Brian's looking for nothing. Is Ninja here? Is Ninja here? I haven't seen Ninja in a while. No, he's not in here this morning. Let's look at GJ now. Goldie now, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, he's in Telegram.
I didn't speak up it. It's Brian, what are you looking for, brother?
I'm just chilling, mate.
I think we're all looking at this Goldie. I think GJ is just a good start to the day. To see it starting to push, it's nice to see, eh?
Yeah, fair, 100%, definitely.
But we
it's just
still,
if it can just get above that, stay above 163 on that trend line, then we good.
Yeah.
You know, there's space to go up. You know what I mean? 165, 166 again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you just go look on the daily, this candle is nice to push up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's looking good to continue for sure.
Maybe later on at 800 would be quite nice. Yeah. That would be nice. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Make sure you like up the stream, guys. 32 likes. You can see today I'm a lot more positive because I'm starting to see price move not retardedly. I was speaking about Dad last night. I'm like, oh my god, man. My fucking work is so boring right now. I'm just watching paint dry every fucking day. I says, oh, I'll get better though. It's one of these things, right? Good thing is saving your capital, right? Always talk about it. Talked about it for a long time. But right now, when price action to the left is garbage, just make sure your equity curve ain't doing this. Because of these shan areas, just leave them alone. Just take a look at a Goldie now. Starting to break up. I would say at this point, if you got in the hourly here, I think I'd go break even here. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, coming towards 10 pips. The 50 minutes pushing up. A little bit of 15 res there. I think it should go break even now. Oh my god, this Daniel Savage troll is hilarious. He's trying to be Daniel Savage, just taking the mick out of him. Fucking hell. He said, I made 10,000 by failing people's funding challenge, lol. Easy money. So about to break the hourly highs. So I'd say definitely break even at this point. See if you can get this push. Oh shit, we're above the fucking trend line. Didn't even see it. Waiting for that closure above.
Sleeping over here.
How much was that?
Sleeping over here.
Sleeping.
Yeah, it's 12 pips. Fuck! Fuck.
Oh, you understand why everyone is so quiet.
Forgot about the fucking trend line. Fuck. To be fair though, actually, if you take a look here, let's take a look and see if it was reasonable, because the next left-hand side, yeah, it's 10 pips. 10 pipperoonies. Manuel, did you get in here? Stop loss here.
Yeah, I did get in.
Your one-to-one.
Try and get in, I think.
Yeah, you fucking quiet cunts. 1 second. I'm going for shit.
Yes. It's on his screen. See what happens when you talk too much soccer bullshit.
He asked, is everybody in? I said,
It's funny. It's like watching paint dry, he says. And you're watching
No,
the
I
fucking
said-
candle run.
He said some would obviously be in this trade. I said not some, only the elite. That was nice.
I'd say if you want to take entry at the bar, which is maybe potentially
Right, how long left? Oh, no, 15 minutes left for 8 o'clock. Nice. Where did you get in on the buys? I think, Craig, they got in here. Now, in terms of... Let's just take a look, guys, because let's just go through this again, right? In terms of the way we've actually taught this, right? Maybe you got in... Did this make the lower wick first here? So it got up here first, and then came back. So if you didn't get in there straight away, the good thing is that it didn't really come to the resistance to TP1 yet, so that's decent enough. So it's perfect, right? Nice clean candle as well.
Yeah, if you see that like information, so the reason why we came down is because like that was my barrier. Eh? So I was concerned. I'm just throw it to you. So that area over there. So that was a concern for me. I won't lie to you. And when we closed bearish, I said, okay, let me give it. If we come below here, I will close. Just manually close. Yeah. And we just tested it and
beautiful. Yeah, I mean, it's just so good to see with the gold, because the 5 minute, it just respects levels to the left so easily. I mean, it's just so obvious that's going to struggle here, and if it breaks above here, then it might struggle here, and if it breaks above here, then you've got the big move. So it's it's when we've back tested this, all it is the 5 minute time frame, which is so beautiful to the left hand side every time. So an entry on the bottom of one of the 2 5-minute candles as they were retesting. Well, so let's take a look here, Craig. So 1 touch, 2 touch, a closure above, a bullish closure above as well, which is quite nice. This one here, that's the confirmation. Comes down, wicks to the trend line, taking a buy there, stop loss below here, which is like a 10 pip stop. TP1 here, and then runner can go, all the way up here for fancies. That's all it is. Now, if this example here, if this zone from there to there, was very, very small, then you may have just left it. But it's 10 pips to the high, so it's beautiful. Morning, Maxi, how's it going? Good, man. 3% left to pass challenge. Amazing work. It's going good. We're starting to see some nice moves play out. Oh, GJ's pushing. That was a little doji. See, look at the 4 hour now, looking like we're starting to break past it, which is what I expected, which is good. 828 later on is what I'm going to take. Such a nicer zone up there. Yeah, for sure, Craig. The only thing you got to worry about entering if the candle's bearish is if it's already touched TP1. And TP1 is here, and so it hasn't touched it yet, so that's fine. When some resistance is so close, I just go break even at 5 pips, for example, since it can reject before it. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's fine. Beautiful. So EJ coming up as well to my zone, which is good to see. Took buys in EU on 30-minute flip. Very nice. GJ is overbought. Oh, I fucking hope not, mate, because I really wanted to break out of this zone. I don't think it's overbought. I think if you take a look at the daily time frame, there's nothing that's overbought about it. She's trying to break out of this crap it's been holding since the 1st of August. It's the 5th of September. It needs to move. So let's see. I think you guys might. If it breaks that high there, you can have a nice little. I love these setups here. Wait, when it makes a low. Wait 1 second. When it breaks the high, you know, you get a nice little drive.
Good, eh? Good work.
Celery.
Good work.
Good work. Good work. Good work. Bri, have you taken profit yet as well?
I just want to be quick on gold for now till I see it more and more and more and more and more.
Yeah, for sure. No, I think that's what I would have done as well. Left inside, beautiful. And then hopefully, if you're lucky, I think if you get a closure above here in the 15, then your runner's going to do very well.
Getting all that clean shit. We're gonna close above. And what I spoke to the gold gods.
The gold gods. Yes, GJ. I'm just so glad that I can say GJ is at 163,571, not 162 or 161. Ah, finally, get out of that zone, boy.
You should expect some kind of retracement on GJ.
Yep.
I would say.
And I kind of already did one there in the 15. Very, very bullish still. I mean, yeah. It definitely needs one, especially in the higher time like the hourly.
We've moved 100 pips in 2 hours.
Yeah. Thing is, though, when GJ wants to go, it wants to go, man.
Yeah, I'm not telling it to go down.
I'm just thinking here, man. I just hope this motherfucker keeps on running the whole day, makes clean zones, pushes all the way up here. I don't care if I can't get a trade. I'd rather this fucking nut get out of this zone, and then we can finally take some nice trades with it tomorrow. Let's come into this 4-hour res, EJ. 7 minutes left. If this, let's see, look how much dots would be. 25 pips. Yeah. See how it reacts at 147.50, which is right there. Oh, is this gold you gonna stay on? Break this high, boy. Because if it breaks there, then the 15 is definitely in the 6 minutes time. Maybe we're going to close above the 30 minute also. Yeah, it just needs to pass, close above that res, and then we should be good for a trade. Let me just write this on. You draw wrong trend line, buddy. Yes. Drawing it very wrong. So broken the high here, should be looking good to continue. Get your ass going for the runners over here. Do you have a runner on, Manuel?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I have a small trend line, a descending one that goes from the wicks from 2070, and then you have another touch at 2022. Yeah, and this one is going to break now.
Yeah. I see that one. Oh, very nice, Bri.
She a winner, she a trash stars. I love this game.
I love this game. Look at Goldie, it's going goal, boy. 5 minutes left. Get that closure, boy.
Whoa! Look at that! candle close volume, baby.
I love it when that happens. Celery play in the 5s are beautiful.
Secure some more, secure some more.
When we get 100 pip runners, GJ is back. Yes! Finally! Okay, breaking above. Yeah, this looks good.
Holy shit, whoever's in gold.
Got a stinker.
Say
Better hold this shit
yeah.
the fuck on.
Yeah.
Got a
Those clean
stinker.
candles.
Whoever's in gold, say yeah. Can I get a
My
Can I get a
days.
closure now? Can I get a closure?
Yeah, if I get a closure, I'm gonna join in. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Get that bitch up, boy. Look at that stinker. Yeah, GJ tapped my level, which is good to see. Look at EJ. Holy shit. Oh my god, we finally got volume. It feels like fucking Christmas. 1721 rejection incoming. Where did you get this from? This resistance here? Do 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 do. Do do do. Very nice. And that gives you such a good advantage for this 8 o'clock open as well, which is nice. Let me do this here. Might just blast further on our open. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. How much my stop's going to be in the 15? 22 pips, okay. Let's get rid of this, and this, and this, and this, and this. I'm going to probably get in on the flip. We'll see in the how it makes a lower wick. The retest, yeah, you could get in the retest as well, which would be like here. Yeah, so for GJ and EJ, they are right at these reses, so they've got to close above, so it may happen later on. So hopefully you get this closure, make a nice little work. Oh, make sure to get a closure first, boy. So 15, 16 seconds left. Okay, so I'm gonna get in on the flip. Okay.
I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip, flip.
I don't know, nobody else is doing this. Beautiful, making a nice little wick. No top wick yet. Body start to drop. Hit the floor. So we'll see.
Wow, actually a closure over here, eh?
A closure.
Let's go retest.
Yeah, retest happening.
Oh yes. A nice retest on that trend line that I spoke about.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, very very nice. To the T.
Very good, very nice.
Well, I saw a picture and I thought of you. I'm putting a Telegram group.
When you what?
Did you get that entry as well?
I saw a picture, man, that made me think about Manuel. Listen, Max, I even saw the black you.
You even saw the what?
A black Max.
The black
Let me first go with the black Max. But yeah, they.
The black Max.
Black Max.
Oh my god.
Legit, I was like, dude, this is like Max, the black Max.
Black Max, fuck's sake.
Does it not look like you? Shit, my runner got kept.
Okay, so broken 50-minute low. I'm still happy with this. It's a 30-minute I really care about. Stop loss previous 15. It'll be current candle stop right now. So if it gets anything more than like 25, then yeah, I'm not gonna like it too much. Max has a Chinese twin. Oh, what the fuck? Max has a Chinese twin. Let's take a look at gold. Yeah, GJ. Oh, GJ is gonna come up to 800 again. You saw that resistance at 1720? We've closed above, so I'm still happy. Fucking black Max. Oh my god. Oh no, no, no. Is that Ninja's trade for the morning? Oh, I didn't get the buy limit. It came close. Not close enough. Day one of coming here and saying that Spurs will win the Premier League. Oh, it's a big statement. The big statement. If they win the Premier League, my days.
This is Manuel, I found it.
Yeah, when I get older. Yep.
I don't believe it, Nita. DC took the same entry in gold? What same entry? I haven't got in yet. Or is he going? Is he waiting for it? How much are the stops right now? Yeah, 20 pips. Five-minute close strong, mate. Let's look at the 30. If it breaks that 30-minute low, then it's over. It's over. Hourly still has no top wick though, so only 5 minutes into the candle, so we'll see. Do 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 do. I don't believe it either. Yeah, City are gonna win, man. City are gonna win, boy.
City boy with it. City boy with it. City boy with it.
They will. Easy work for City, man. Easy. So yeah, GJ and EJ right at those levels. Oh, EJ's actually broken above this level. GJ is still struggling a little bit. Oh my god.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
You're getting there. No problem. You're getting there.
I am full halal. Let's take a look at Goldie. Coming down to nearly 30-minute lows. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, Marana got tapped.
Yeah, boy. PSV versus Juventus champion. Ooh, that'll be quite good. I'm just pretty happy with all of this nice pushes, man. Nice actual clean candles. Even though this is not working out yet, I like to see the volume, boy. To be fair, gold's been good anyway recently, but it's mainly GG to see. It's nice. Just a push like that, which lasts more than fucking 30 seconds. It's good to see, eh? Juventus are going to lose so bad. I'm seeing that as a Juventus fan. Yeah, PSG looking pretty good right now. They're looking pretty good. So if we do reject these highs, and the sells below 17.15 are going to be pretty good as well. So that'll be nice. Take a look at the 30-minute time frame, just about to break the 30-minute lows, and I'm going to delete my buy stop. I'm going to delete them. How much would my stops be anyway right now? 30 pips, yeah, it's a bit too much. So I'm going to delete my buy stops now. Delete. And yeah, we're going to have to wait for the sells maybe below. To look at the 4 hour now, made a nice top wick now. Sells could be good. Take a look at GG. So looking like 4 hours about to flip on Goldie as well. Looks good. 5 minutes left for the 15. Interesting. We can have another 5-minute trend line break in a second. Yes. 30-minute no top wick, yeah, man. Well, that's where I wanted to get in, but it's very, very far from that. I've also broken the low of the previous 30. Broken the lows.
Man, EJ was actually clean.
Mm-hmm.
There's a closure below. Closure above.
Yeah. Yeah, it was good. No retest though, which is a bit sketch.
Yeah, but we could have taken the flip with the break of the highs. Stops was 15 pips.
15 pepperonis.
Anyway, I don't know. I'll see what 50s with EJ.
Oh, I just went straight past it. It's just because there's a lot of volume today, man. A lot of volume today. This gold is pushing down, man.
Yeah. Well, I was waiting for sales, to be honest.
Yeah, well, sales look better on the 4 hour for sure.
Yeah, they clouded my judgment on the buys, I reckon.
Your boy. 20 pips to the high there. Okay. So if we get this closure below, then it's a 15-minute top wick. Getting in like there with stop loss there. Probably what I'm going to look for.
Oh, shit. Tanking.
It's fucking tanking.
That bloke that said sell up the top there is probably feeling pretty good about himself right now.
If you took it. Let's take a look. 1716. Targets to P1 will be 1713. 13.85. Next one will be 1712.4. And that's all she wrote. Let's take a little check again. Your sell should be good, your boy. Yes, GJ, get out of the zone, just blast it off. I need a little retracement on GJ now, and then it should be good. Oh, Stevie boy, 46 pips, okay. Where the fuck did you take the sells? Beautiful. Manuel, you needs a boy.
Yeah.
I really want this 15 to close below as well. But I still think it's good, man, to continue down. We're breaking these lows, so it should be good. Song is the best one on the playlist. Oh, look at EJ. Wow, man. Straight to 141. I'm just letting the JPY pairs do their thing. Do your thing. Nice to see GJ back to normal. Yeah, man. Nice big moves, some volume. It's amazing.
Fine, didn't you? Close your runner.
Yeah, he did.
Should have left that shit on it. Just ran like another 25 pips.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
So 15 didn't close below. Fuck's sake. It's rather annoying. Rather annoying. Still a 5-minute closure, but the support's right there. And for me personally, I'm not going to get into a trade where my whole basis of this is if there's a 15 support right there, it's too scary. So I'm just going to wait for another one. Magic keys isn't working, but shows the blue light. Any idea, anyone? I have no idea. I just got the online one.
Well, none of us work for Magic Keys, yeah.
You what?
I say we not Magic Keys employees.
Oh yes. So it came up and wicked pretty much. Yeah, it's pretty good. It wicked, boy.
Thank you. You take that gold sell now, Max? No.
The 15 red, the 15 support has put me off it, man. But it looks good. I mean, if you get there, I mean, if you got up there, that top wick, yeah, we break even now anyway. So yeah, that's good, man. I just think for me here, this 5-minute trend line from back testing it, if there's a support right there, it struggles. That's all.
No, I know, but it's like 10 pips to the till you go break even. So go on the 5. So
Yeah.
you got it on the retest.
I know. You had about a second to take it though.
Structure.
Yeah, you literally did.
You had literally a fucking millisecond to get it.
Yeah, my retest did not get activated.
Yeah, mine didn't either.
Also, the hourly has no top week.
Yeah, but I think now that's okay, man. It's very bearish. This shit's gonna run.
Be absolutely shooting in your DAX if it came all the way back up to. Oh, here we go.
Drop boy, 1713.9. Mate, the 5-minute trend lines don't care about anything with to do with resistance and support right now. Fuck me, it just goes. 16
Not
pips.
only just the 5-minute trend line though, there's a lot of other
Well, yeah.
going its way.
Well, in this one here, it was breaking of the hourly lows, 4-hour lows, 30-minute 15. Pretty good, brother.
Jason, set your TP at 1709.
Mine.
0.6. Walk away.
1709.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't have a TP yet. I want us to get past the support
Yeah.
before.
Good. Just set it and just walk away. We're coming back to daily.
Yeah.
Look at the Asian lows, Jace.
Excuse me?
Set that final TP at the Asian lows, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is just that the hourly is still banged open, so we could just be
41 minutes
respecting
is
the
definitely not
support.
gonna. I don't think it'll pull up. I think it'll come down, mate, to that strong support by the daily or the Asian low.
I agree.
Yeah, remember we should also close below.
Or set a partial final TP at the Asian lows and set a partial halfway or something. Find another halfway area.
But are you talking 17,
But
13?
he's gonna be tapped soon.
Yeah,
though.
he's gonna be tapped.
Shit says entries low.
Yeah.
Shame.
No, I'm in at the retest. I'm in. So the retest of structure, the 5-minute structure. Go back, Max.
Yeah.
So there, yeah. So that's what I liked. I liked we closed below the trend line. I like the fact that we closed below that structure. So even though that support was there, I was gonna be 10 pips up anyway. You know, so got in on the retest. So yeah,
Shoo.
let's hope. Let's hope it continues down.
The 15 should
Just because of
try,
that hourly having no
Yeah.
top week, I think there's a possibility we could respect this area and continue up.
This 5-minute breaks that low. It should be good. Take a look. Did Steve just say you bought gold? Oh, someone's buying, someone's selling, someone's gonna win, someone's gonna lose.
I bought gold.
Oh.
Whenever I'm selling, Steve is buying.
Sold twice.
He's
Sold
inversely
gold twice, got
proportional.
46 pips. So now I've got to follow the strategy and buy it.
Myself and Steve is inversely proportional to one another.
I love that shit. This is beautiful price action though today, man. Very nice. I like. It's very nice. So yeah, all yen pairs are so down. Yeah. So let's just go through this one again. Yeah, for me it's decent, but it's not perfect in terms of the zone with the left. But you did have in this case breaking of 30-minute lows, hourly lows, 4-hour lows, which is nice. So breaking the low, let's see if we can get this drive now. This should be your first level. Yeah. So what you do for TPs is literally just to the left hand side where there's the next supports. That's where it is. Let's take a look. So for me now, I mean, Jace is already a break even, but that's what you'd be at now, as a break even.
Yep,
So
20 pipas. 20 pipas.
20 pipas. 20 pipas.
It's a loss for me. 2 wins, 1 loss.
All good, Steve. All good.
Yeah, the wins were good. One was 4.5 ratio. The other one was 6.9.
Oh,
that's good. That's good. Yeah.
I can quite easily take 1 loss.
Too right.
And if it does close back in my box, I will be buying again.
I'm just loving GJ, mate. Just seeing it, it's just amazing. Look at this shit. They're making all these clean zones, these clean candles, so when we come back to there, it's clean, it's not crap. So the more this pushes, the better for me.
Steve, don't you think maybe you got a bit into early? Because if you just check to the left. Stevie.
Yeah.
So if you look to the left on GJ, gold 15.
I'm working off the 1 minute.
Oh, sorry.
1 minute.
So at the 1 minute, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bullish order blocks within that zone.
My days.
That 15's got an order block. Yeah, I like that one.
And I'm just about to buy again. If this closes.
Are you on the 1?
Yes.
Okay. I'm just checking on the 15 to the left. There's an OB to the left.
Yeah.
That hasn't been tapped yet.
That's what I'm wanting. Continue down to.
When interruption, like myself and Brian would say, it's an interruption candle.
Interruption candle. So bearish, man. It's mad. I think this is gonna fucking push, man. It's good.
On my strategy, it's got 2 candles left. If it don't close back in the zone, then that zone's null and void.
Watching where I wanted to get in and wake up, it's already up. As no retest, pure rocket. Yeah. But it's okay, man. I mean, the whole rocket for me, this is what I've been wanting, man. This is why I've been sitting on my hands waiting for it, because I really want these to just fucking rocket, make some nice, good ranges for us to trade in, and then tomorrow's, you know, the next days onwards are going to be beautiful. They're going to be beautiful, boy. So 4 minutes left for this 30 to close below as well. Interesting. Are we waiting a while now? Yeah. We've been waiting fucking way too long. But it's good that's happening. I was so close to getting into an entry there, but I was just like, you know what? My rules are the 15 didn't close below. It's right at support. But works out nicely for people. Very bearish though. That's probably the difference, man. How much bearish fucking volume you have. It's bloody gorgeous, mate. Waiting for, yeah, exactly. 200 people already this morning. Amazing stuff, man. I tell you what, right now we're gonna get some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ass trades in the next couple of days. I can feel it. Nice clean candles, good price action, good volume. I like it, boy. Yeah, that's true. I thought that this was actually a little bit smaller than it was, but 10 pips is reasonable, eh? Do. 10 pips is reasonable. Wow, let's look at the higher time frames then for these. Beautiful. Yeah, the hourly actually closed above, so beautiful. Nice closure above. That's what I like to see, man. Textbook, that. Textbook. Textbook trade. Jace, is your thing still on?
Yeah. I'm actually waiting till we tap that 15 interruption candle to the left, and then I actually got my TP set there.
Yeah, there.
Let me see, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That's it, mate.
Makes sense, makes sense. Let's take makes sense. And the good thing is now you just break even, just let it go, boy. You just let it ride. Look at the hourly. Yeah, it's clean candle, man. 1710 would be really good for a runner as well. Needs to break this little low. Break it. There you go. You're gonna get a nut now. There you go.
What another.
There you go, man. Fucking banging, man. That's what we're gonna talk about, man. That's what we want to talk about. Some beautiful trades there. Clean candles to the left hand side. We didn't take them, but for the most part, I'm watching it beautifully, and that's what I want to take from the markets. A trade that was from start to finish a beautiful example of a 5-minute trend line. Yes, the 50 didn't close below. However, the overall trend was bearish. The 30-minute time frame, the hourly time frames were breaking all lows, which is good to see as well. So that's nice. Nice, boy. Very nice. And there you go, TP1 hit, and that's where it's, you know, that's where you've got to take positions off. Why? Because it's where support is on the 5 and 15. You get me? Beautiful. So if you take a look here, for people to also know just about the strategy that we use on the gold, what you've got to remember is when we're getting into trades here on the retest of the trend line, we don't really have sell limits, because of the fact that they sometimes don't get activated. So you normally just take the sell here, which is what obviously Jason, all the people that took it did, which is good stuff. So hopefully now the next zone will be 1712.5. $12.5. If you're preaching break of trend line, why didn't you take it? Because the support was here. But I'm saying it was still a good example of one where you go 10 pips to the next support. I just didn't like how the 50 didn't close below. But that's it, man. I think for a lot of people in the group, they've taken it because it's still 10 pips to the next support when you get the retest. So it's beautiful.
I've taken it.
Did I just say took it?
Ah, that's some nice English, eh, Max?
Took it. Oh my god, I'm so happy with GJ, man. I've been dreaming about this in my fucking dreams right now.
We just needed to buy anytime. Just pray.
I'm not asked about taking a trade today in GG. I'm just happy the fucking zones it's making.
I hate it when it runs like this on an entry. Does my head in.
Take a look at the hourly. Yeah, it's got clean candles to 1710. That's probably where your TP would be. If you're up there as well, you've got such a nice zone for it to continue down to. Could be pretty good. I did, Ryan, it's there. There you go. It's there, boy. Oh yeah, one sec. There we go. What are you guys talking about here? Oh my god, you've got an OB indicator? An OB indicator, shit.
Oh, love it, Steve. Love it. Love it, mate.
I got it while you was on holiday, Max.
Ah.
And Ninja was going about it.
Yeah,
going
yeah.
on about all these. And I just found it and thought it would help. I'm playing with it.
Yeah, it's a good ban. Yeah, I'll be added to the G drive sometime this week. Added to the G drive.
Have you secured any, Steve?
Pardon?
Have you secured?
No.
Only bitches take profit.
Nah, because that IC was my TP, so that's why I can see the reaction of there.
Yep. To the T as well, man. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Next support was at 10 pips. That's why you didn't take the trade. But do you want others to take it, or should someone take a position when the next support is so close? That's down to you, man. That's down to your backtesting. For example, as a group, we know that sometimes they do struggle here, but for the most part, because in this group we don't just fucking copy one another, we go for it ourselves because we're teaching each other how to trade properly. So a lot of them took it because they thought, you know, the distance between here and here is 10 pips. I can just go break even then. That's perfect. For me, I didn't really know that this was 10 pips. It looked like it was a lot less, so I was kind of a bit cautious of that. But in hindsight, I would have taken that with the 10 pips to the next support. So, and the stop loss for me would have been there. 20 pips, yeah. 20 pepperonis. Let's take a look at the 30. Yeah, 30's. Look at that, though. So look at this. It's exactly the same what we talk about again and again. The clean candles. That's what we've got. Clean candles and gold are literally everything. Every single trade that Raja takes that's, you know, a huge trade, always because there's clean candles to the left. And on the 30 of the hourly. That's all you look for. And the cleaner the candles, the longer you'll hold. That's pretty much it. Self-explanatory, man. Just take a look at the 15. And, oh my god, this is beautiful. Look at this price action. My god. Bullish candle. Breaks the high, not the low of the previous. Breaks the high, not the low of the previous. Breaks the high, not the low of the previous. Breaks the high, not the low of the previous. It's bloody gorgeous. Finally. And what does that mean in next experience as well? Maybe in the next couple of days or so, maybe we want to come back down for a little while. Well, in this area, we've got clean candles. So when we come back down, we're going to get some nice printing bearish candles like this. Which means the trades overall are going to be much easier to take. And this is why we've been backing off on GJ so far. Because if you take a look beforehand, look at this garbage. Look at this garbage. No. Bullish candle, breaks the high of the previous, then breaks the low of the previous, bearish closing. It's just completely random. So you taking a trade in there, there's going to be absolutely no reason for you to take any trades there. They ain't going to fucking work. Okay? So now, the reason why we're getting more excited is because we're seeing the price action that we've been wanting to see. So, it's amazing. 30 minutes making top wick, 23 minutes left, got a lot of time. It's just, unfortunately, we might have to wait. But TP1 for 80% off is right here, because that's where the next support is on the 5 and the 15 OB. Beautiful. And that's all she wrote.
I got in on a buy on gold. Because I had the trend line from yesterday, which broke Asian, which never retested it.
Yeah.
And now this bearish move came to it, but never closed below it. It touched it and came up again. And the next candle touched it and came up again. And then this 5 minutes just rinsed up. So when the 5 minutes came down and broke the high of the previous, I took a buy.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice. Let's take a look then on the daily, Mr. Bry. You looking at it? It's starting to get towards there, eh? Oh, it's right there right now. Are we gonna break it today?
No, we're gonna sell it back down.
Oh, no, please, no. Please, no. Keep on blasting. Get out of the stove, please. And there we go. But right to the T, I always talk about the 5 minute zones, man. They're so accurate in terms of taking profit. Look at that, to the T. So for runners and stuff, it's very, very easy on gold to leave the runners on and just, you know, take your positions off at certain levels and then hold the rest, because the levels just hold very nicely. And that's all she put for a good cause. Look at AJ, holy shit. Oh my god, it feels like Christmas. It feels amazing. Making all these clean zones for us. Yes! These clean ass zones. So yeah, I think I may leave it off over here now, guys, because I'm just happy that we've got the nice pushes for GJ. We've got gold. We've broken down gold. There's entries here if you wanted to take them. For me, I left it because of the 15 support. But in hindsight, I mean, it was 10 pips that low, so that's okay. That was beautiful. There was also 5 minute. I mean, if you could write out all those 5 minute trend lines, these are all of them, right? You've had a stinky day. Yeah, Bri. I know. I'm eyeing it up. Don't you worry. So there was the first 5.
Yep, there was 2.
There was the second one.
100%.
And then there was one. Yeah.
There we go. There we go.
So if you just took all of them.
To me, that was the best one, eh? The sell.
Yeah, me too.
Because it's like a double whammy. You see that?
Yeah. Gorgeous.
Sells were good from the top, man.
From the top?
Also, Max, do you see at the
Like
top, eh? So if you can just adjust your buys above, just push it a bit up, and you can see why we came down. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Your boy. Yeah, we'll see how this reacts because we see an M formation. If you come back up over here, interesting. Interesting.
Like fucking 3 trades, bro. 3 bangers.
3 bangers, yeah.
3 stinkers.
Nah, listen, it was literally 3 bangers. Like, I'm up, like, you don't want to know.
20 pips, 20 pips. And then this one here is 30 pips. So, I mean, if you took all them, you'd be 70 pips. This morning. Very nice. I'm happy to watch them, and tomorrow I'm going to come fucking balls deep. Give me them 5-minute trend lines, boy. I think a lot of people get a bit worked up when they go, oh, Max, like, why didn't you take these trades? You know, why have you taken them? Because right now, the recent moves on pairs have been pretty hard. Okay, so do I really want to go first balls deep on charts that have been looking awful for the past, you know, fucking month or two? No, I'd rather just let trades play out. And yeah, other people can take them, and, you know, that's bloody gorgeous. But for me, personally, as a group, I want to be able to see these trades play out and then execute them. And as you start seeing the trades play out, like for example today I saw the GJ play out with the closure above. I saw the gold 5-minute trend out play 3 times in a row. I saw the EJ closures above. Now I'm starting to get confidence that this is moving nicely for me. Okay. You get me, boy? Let's take a look. Do you have a vid on the 5-minute strategy? Yeah, there's a 5-minute trendline simulation done last month on YouTube. I'll just show you. I'll put the link in here so you guys can watch it. Because that was actually a good sim.
I'm literally done for the month. Oh my days.
I bet you cannot do that.
Yeah, fuck that, Jinx. You'll give me a tomorrow.
Listen, I'm done for the month.
You cannot do that.
Jason, you over leveraged like hell. What the
right.
Fucking hell, 20%.
20% for the morning. Are you mental?
Jeez, be careful.
You madman. You madman.
Look at his max drawdown, -4 pips. That's some good shit. That's some
Good
sniper
shit,
entry.
Exactly. That's how you do it, man. That. Listen, it was a bit.
Just remember, reset.
That's the reward.
That's
the reward for risking.
Yeah, but they could also go the other way, and if the issue is, Jace, is if you got -19% from your trades, would you stop there or would you continue? That's the difference.
I would just cry. That's it.
Okay, because the issue. Oh shit.
Now that is like 3 trades I took, so it's not like a 19%. So obviously, what I did after my first win, what I do is I now risk my profits of my first win. Are you with me? So I would have still been. So if I lost the second one, I would have been break even.
Yeah.
With me. So
Jace, not Jace, Bri, are you just logged into my Zoom?
No, Max.
Oh.
I had to log out of mine and I had to redo my password.
Yeah.
That's when you came back from holiday.
It says someone just logged in. Ah, fucking hell.
Nah,
Just be
ain't
hacked on Zoom.
Nah, I had to redo my password. I couldn't remember my old one.
Yeah. Max, do you live with your parents? No, I live with my girlfriend in Leeds. And
But you
I
can
think
send your Spotify logins if you want to share.
fuck off. I think I'm moving out of this gaff. I think we're gonna move to a new place. I want a nice light. I'm sick of this fucking shithole.
Has she kicked you out?
No, I told her before that I don't want to move because I think that she needs to earn more money before. But I'm sick of this place. I'd rather just buy it myself. So yeah, we're gonna move.
So you're still safe.
Yep, still safe so far. Yeah, I'm gonna get a. Just the way it's built is just so retarded. Like it just doesn't make any sense.
Penthouse condo.
I want a fucking big fucking penthouse. Nah, I'm not gonna have a big one. I'm only 2 people, man. She's fucking never in. If I have a massive place myself, I feel even more lonely than I already do.
That's why that arm of yours is so sore.
Ah, fucking arm. Don't talk about it. I just forgot about it then. Fuck's sake. Beautiful, man. I'm actually very, very happy with today. This feels good, man. This is some good shit. Your dog didn't move with you? Nah, he's with the fam. Oh, Goldie. To be rejected.
This is so tempting.
Take a 3% or something, Jess. It's easy. I just like what it's doing on the 4-hour, Jess, on gold.
Yeah, me too, man. Like, it's like a fake out at the 4-hour.
Yeah, but I've got a daily fib on and a 4-hour fib just to check the levels.
Okay.
And it's now rejecting the 4H at 38.2 and it's rejecting the daily at 50%. So it's 2 bearish fibs, 2 different time frames.
Fair.
So I do see bears, yeah, for sure. High time
Don't you
frame.
think it's a bit low?
Yes, I didn't know you started.
Wait, what?
I didn't know you started. It's a
It's a bit low, yeah, man. We think it's a low to get in.
man, I haven't really
think
focused
so.
on the high time frame, but I just wanted to see what it's respecting from yesterday. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Gucci.
And remember, the
gang,
zero fib levels are pretty much guaranteed to get tapped, right?
TPs, yeah, 100%.
Oh, M's gonna work. Looking like it.
You in, Max?
Nah. I'm
He's
chilling
in
today,
with
man.
3 entries, boy. He's in with 6 entries today.
Nah, I'm chilling today. I'm watching everything play out. I'm happy to just sit here, talk about them, and not get in yet.
Those Canary Wolf penthouses are expensive, boy.
Don't you
So
worry
that's
about
another
me.
thing you got in.
Don't you worry about me. Canary Wolf. Not fucking moving to London anytime soon. I'm staying in Leeds.
DJ Gold loving that email.
Yeah.
That's what Max is in, boy.
Did you get in here, Brian?
Yeah.
Good lad. Good
like
lad.
That's like
What a
sweet
fucking
little
M
email.
formation that was.
Those are jam, mate. Those are literally jam.
Yeah, that's fucking sexy.
We haven't had a W for a while,
Yeah, exactly. We haven't had a double.
so we've got to come down.
Yo, Brian, I actually.
Got in as well. Yeah, I know you did.
I'm not
He's
in.
risking
I'm not in.
20%.
I'm
He's
saying-
risking 20%.
So this was the initial area I had for sales, Brian. This is
Yeah.
what I had. Brian can see that. We closed below. We didn't like really tap into it. And also inside here, I had that. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So I was waiting.
Yeah,
for,
but no retest, man. It was so nice to get in at the top,
Exactly.
but there's no retest.
Fuck, that annoyed me. That
Yeah.
annoyed me. That would have been.
Didn't annoy 20% somehow. You wild cowboy. I love it. Don't try this at home, kids.
Yeah.
Listen, I can take a break now, man. You know, so
No, you mustn't. Don't do what Ninja does. You carry on, boy. Slowly.
Yeah, slow and steady, man.
Slow and steady.
Because what happens if you have a break and you come back and you take 3 L's and you go, well, that was a fucking waste of time. Now I'm back at break even.
I don't believe in that. You keep going, boy. That's it.
Yeah. Boy. So I'm going to leave off over here, but a really good session in terms of price action, man. These fucking charts are looking nice. Look at the clean candles everywhere. I'm looking everywhere, look. It's clean. Oh, it's fucking clean everywhere. Everywhere I look, it's clean. Ah. So, hopefully for NY session, I can actually start getting into some trades over here, but it's been beautiful to watch it happen. For me, what am I waiting for later on? I'm waiting for GJ to come back down to make some support, then continue back to the highs, okay? Same thing for EJ. And for Goldie, I think the sells may be nice later on also. We'll see this 4 hours. It seems to be struggling. Thing is, the 4 hours already tapped this res here, so that's the only issue you have with the sells right now. But yeah, we'll see with the buys. I mean, buys above 1720 again, I'd still go for later on. So yeah, you keep it nice, you know, open eye for gold right now. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for coming on. We're going to start the Sims tomorrow. We're doing Wednesday and Thursday. And yeah, so thank you very much, guys. Peace out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, man.
Cheers,
see you later, Zoom. I'll see you guys for NY, yeah?
See you later, guys. Thank
See
you
you later,
very much.
Scribe. Peace out, man. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys in a minute, man. Peace out, squad. Adios, amigos. See you later.